How to log in live account. Welcome to the channel and let's start with a video. Open up a web browser that you prefer on your mobile device or on your PC. In the search bar, go ahead and search for live account login and give it a search. Tap on where it says sign in or create your account. In here, go ahead and tap on the sign in bubble given to you and wait for it to load. To sign into your account, enter email address, phone number or your Skype ID, then tap on Next. If you can't access your account, tap on it and select Work or Personal account. Now to recover your account, you have to enter either of your email, your phone or your Skype name, then tap on Next. To create a new account, just go ahead and tap on Create One next to No Account. Then also explore some of the other options to sign in, such as your face, fingerprint, PIN or your security key. You can also sign in using your GitHub or sign in to an organization. Those options will help you to log into your live account. And it's a wrap for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.